comfort might be the most expensive thing in your financial life, because the middle class is taught to do everything right. Get a stable job, buy a house, build a comfortable life, but that comfort can quietly become a trap, and most people don't realize it. Until it's too late. Let me show you how it happens. For most people, the middle class path feels like the responsible choice. You work hard, you build a stable life, you avoid unnecessary risks, and on the surface, that sounds completely reasonable. Stability feels safe, predictability feels responsible, and comfort feels like progress. But over time, something subtle starts to happen. Most middle-class lives follow a very similar pattern. Early in your career, your income starts to grow. You gain experience. You move into better roles. Your salary improves. Eventually, you buy a house, maybe a nicer car. Life starts to look comfortable, and this is where the shift begins. Early in life, most people are focused on growth, learning new skills, taking opportunities, increasing their income. But once life becomes comfortable, growth slowly stops being the priority. Promotions become less important. New opportunities feel riskier. Stability becomes the goal. And without noticing it, income growth begins to slow down. But here's the part that almost nobody talks about. This shift doesn't just slow down wealth building. It quietly locks people into a financial life that becomes harder and harder to escape. Comfort itself isn't the problem. The problem is what comfort does to your ambition. Because the biggest driver of wealth for most people isn't how much they save. It's how much they earn over time. But for many middle-class households, income growth eventually stalls, while expenses continue to rise. Mortgages, insurance, school costs, everyday living. And slowly, the comfortable life becomes expensive to maintain. If you look at people who build significant wealth, their path often looks different. They continue focusing on income growth long after life becomes comfortable. They develop rare skills. They change industries. They take calculated risks. Sometimes they start businesses. Sometimes they invest in opportunities. But the common pattern is simple. They keep pushing their income higher over time. The middle-class trap isn't about laziness. Most middle-class people work incredibly hard. The trap is simply choosing comfort over growth for too long. Because once your lifestyle depends on stability, change starts to feel dangerous. And that's when income growth quietly stops. Comfort feels safe in the moment. But over the long run, growth is what creates freedom. And sometimes the biggest financial risk is becoming too comfortable. Knowing about this trap is not enough to avoid it. This video here will teach you the secrets of the rich and how those secrets can help you escape the middle class.